What's up, guys? It's Archie from Little Rice Muncher Gaming. Today we're going to be going to a gun show. This is called, I believe it's the Premier Gun Show.
The third from the right lane to stay on I-35 W South.
Anyway, so this is going to be the Premier Gun Show. It's apparently the biggest gun show in Fort Worth. This is our first gun show. I have my friend Tom, who is filming right now. Are we turning over here?
Yeah, 51.
Okay. 51, yeah, that's it. But anyways, Tom's filming right now, and this is both of our first gun show. And I believe the flyer said there was going to be over 1,200 booths. So I read some reviews. I think some things are going to be competitively priced, some things not so much. Abilene, this way. Okay. But yeah, so it's in downtown Fort Worth. We got to pay for parking. The tickets weren't too bad. It was, if you bought them online, it was $9 each. So we paid $18 for the both of us. At the door, it's like $10 cash or something. But yeah, so we have to pay for parking. So we're gonna show you guys what the experience is like. There's 1,200 booths. Like I can't fathom how much stuff they have there. So maybe we'll pick up a few things. You know, there's a few guns that I've been wanting to check out. The Sig Sauer P365 just dropped. That's a really hot gun right now in the micro compact market, and Tom likes the Beretta, so we're gonna look at a few Berettas. And what is it called? Tom, what is it called? Your Beretta?
The Beretta A1, 92A1.
92A1, 92A2, 92A3. But I'm sure we'll get to see all the guns that we want to there. There's really two guns on my radar right now. It's either the Glock 19 or 26, and I want to get the Mossberg. Oh, we did miss it. Did we miss it?
Oh, yeah, we missed it.
No, it's all good. But yeah, I want to get a Glock 9mm or a Mossberg 590A1. So that's been on my list for quite some time. There's a 1-day pass and a 2-day pass, but we came here a little early. It's around lunchtime, so I think we're gonna have plenty of time to look at everything. Yo guys, so we've been driving around for about 10-15 minutes now. It's so packed. All of these lots are filled. All of the garages are filled. We've been sitting here trying to get into that one right there, and we got a line up on the other side, incoming traffic, and I don't even know if they're gonna let us in. But gun show, it's so close. It's over a few blocks away. But yeah, parking is whack. So parking was $10, but at least we got a parking pass that's holographic.
Ooh, shiny.
We finally parked. Went to that, I would say maybe, what do you think, like 20-25 minutes?
Yeah.
To get parking. Not too crazy. Yeah, so it is packed over here, so I'm just really curious to see how big the show really is and how many people there are. But there's museums and other stuff nearby. I think Tom noticed a dinosaur museum.
Yeah, let's go.
No.
The gun show.
No, it's so cold. I'm ready to go inside. That's what I'm ready to do. Oh, you're such a gentleman. Is that it right there? This says gun show on there. It must be it. Okay, we'll zoom in, even though I can't hold it very steady, but there's a gun show sign over there. We're in the cultural district, whatever that means. There's some bikes if you want to bike around, but it's like 30 degrees outside, and I'm freezing my sack off. Damn, that guy got him a couple guns, huh? We're pedestrians, stop for us. Is there anything else you want to look at? Is there anything else you want to look at? Just your Beretta?
Beretta.
That's it? Come on, dude. What about your H and K?
We'll see if
Wait, you got the paper though, right?
Yeah, okay.
You did? Okay.
We'll see if I make it in like 5.
I mean, this is a big structure. I don't know if it's multiple buildings right here or if they're connected or what. Gun show. You can donate blood here too. Alright, so I guess that's the entrance. Alright, you got security. Oh. So no loaded guns. You can't concealed carry. You can't open carry. What? So that's section 3006, 3007. Welcome to the original Fort Worth Gun Show. Alright. No loaded weapons or magazines. No photograph or video. Oh my gosh! There's no photographs or video. Alright guys, so we are at the gun show and apparently there is no photo or video, so I'm gonna discreetly get some. Tactical cord. What does this even say? Oh, Premiere. That's what it says, Premiere. Bro, you wanna go around in like a structured manner where we just wander?
I was kind of following you.
Here, let's go back to the front.
Let's go.
Oh snap, let's look at this booth.
I thought we were gonna go in a structured manner.
Well, it caught my eye.
Like we're over here, but I'm moving around. Okay. Yeah, this thing has an attack. A green laser.
500 cash. What oh, I thought I saw something at the end, like it was had that suppressor threading, but you don't like that type of coating though up top, do you?
No, it gets dirty.
I don't guess I care, but that's cool. Did you say you're interested in getting a rifle? You are?
Eventually. Not now.
Eventually.
I don't know how to hide it.
Wait, where did you want to go? Oh, hide it from your parents?
So we'll go like that, and then we'll just make our way up and down. There's so many people that do it, I'm sure.
There's your rifles, bolt action. Did you say you want a bolt action rifle?
I said I want one just to have it.
Oh, just to have it? Dude, why don't you just get like an AR then? I don't know what this is, but you can get one of these.
Yeah, it's like a model of an AK.
It's just what? Oh, okay. It's like a pistol and like rifle frame, I guess.
Actually, I think Hickok made a video about it.
Did he?
He had like an automatic around keeping up with YouTube also.
Both y'all carrying a little overweight there. What do you boys weigh? About 300? That close.
I don't guess like.
That
I
close.
don't know. If I'm gonna get a rifle, bro, I'm gonna get like an AR, dude. I'm not even gonna screw any of that. I love that gun. It might have been a little awkward, but I told her I like her LC.S. What brand are these? I don't know the actual like name brand. Hell no. I'm not Spyderco. Yeah, Spyderco. I want to get a Spyderco knife. Oh snap! Is that your scar?
That is my scar.
Wait, what? So what do you have there? Oh, you don't even know. All right, so yeah, so this is the one of the ones I want. I don't necessarily want the Shockwave, but I want a 590 Mossberg, and this is the Shockwave for Remington. Pretty badass. Some military supplies. Do you know what that insignia means?
Spartan.
Is this a Spartan? Oh, it says Spartan. Oh, nice set. 659 boys. They got all these different SIGs. They got. Hey, do you feel this one? This one feels pretty grippy. The black hole grip.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, are those the mags?
Yeah, you get one flush, one extended.
Okay. Oh, and this is the flashlight.
BK 380.
Gotcha.
This is actually one of my maybe consider guns. Like
Walther?
Yeah. I haven't like done much research on it, but this is like a maybe for me.
No, Walther's a good brand. I was just I don't know, man. Go H&K then. If you're gonna go that route, go H&K. So recoil, rebound. Got some fudge over here. Bro, do you see this over here? Suppressors for big ass rifles. Some big ass rifles.
Used brass. Probably by the pound.
This is Cabela's. Some used mags.
What's your opinion on these bags?
I mean, we're not so broke that we can't afford new ones, so yeah.
They're aftermarket, but they are brass.
Oh, we're just gonna go down the aisles now? I mean, that sounds like a good structured idea. You wanna buy more 9mm in mass?
This is 5.56.
So this is 5.56. This is how big it looks.
Those are soft points right now. And you want if it too, you gotta wait there.
It's not a bad price. I think isn't rifle supposed to be a lot more expensive? Because you got 1,000 rounds of 9 for 200, right?
That's actually good. It's in a bag, it's cheap. Want to reload your stuff? Want to do some self-reloading?
Yes, sir.
I'm good. As for me and my house, we trust the Lord and Colt, and Springfield, and Ruger. Got some rifles and some scopes. No credit card fees, okay. So credit card fees probably roughly around, what, 3%? What are you looking at, dude? Oh, 762. So this is like a step up, or a significant step up above 556. $700 new in box.
Oh, dude.
So we got some currency outside of Almerica. Some big ass pistols.
The Magnum?
Oh shit! Do you see that? Does it say 6,500?
Yeah.
Yeah, son. Colt Trooper, Colt Diamondback. 1967 Colt SP1 carbine. Look at that. You want a holographic knife? Yo, is this a shotgun? This looks like a shotgun. I mean,
It's like an AK. It is an AK.
you're an AK.
Wait.
That's clearly, this one's clearly a shotgun the whole time. Oh, Remington 870 tactical 12
Wait.
gauge 675. Dude, let me check this out. Here, discreetly hold this. Wait, can I? Hold on. Dude, you got some rubber gripper here. Dude, this is cool. Yeah, we got a handle right there. Oh man. But so this must be, that one says brand new on it, right? This one's probably used. Oh, that's I think that round is equivalent to 556, I think. Right? Do you know? I think so. We're noobs.
I'm not sure.
No, I think it is. I think it is. Didn't we go through here already? No? Dude. Oh, my bad. We got pen light. 200 lumens, damn, okay. So we got the tactical lights over there. Have we looked at these though, bro?
I don't think so.
Then why are we skipping over some?
Because I was gonna go over there. You know, follow the line.
Hey, dude, hold on. Bro. Dude. When I get some more money, man, I'm gonna have to get me a Sig, dude. P320, dude. This is dope. You got the red dot right here. That's so awesome. Romeo. I don't know if it's Romeo or Romeo. Which one is it? It's only 540, bro. It's not bad. You say you don't like this one? Wait. Dude, what's that Sig P365? That's the question. You probably don't have one. Oh, here's a full size.
Special price.
Feel that. Whoa. Is that brand new?
Special price.
Is that brand new?
Might as well.
Dude, feel it.
That's good.
It's a full size. Oh, it's a 40 cal though. Okay, never mind. I don't want another one. Get a 9mm. Maybe that's fine. I mean, maybe everyone has the same reaction as a 40 cal. Never mind. I just get it. Ooh, HK. Dude, check it out. How much? Oh, 620. That's a good deal. No? How much? Have you seen it already?
I don't actually know. How much was it over there?
How come this one's 700? Oh, this one has the tactical one, the threaded barrel. So you can add your suppressor for whatever reason. You can.
This one has a night sight.
All right.
Get me over there.
Check it out. Here, scoot over. So this is a Beretta that Tom's been wanting to check out. Is the A1, 19A1?
A1.
620. How much does it normally run?
It's around that same price range.
Oh, it's 620.
Yeah, A1.
You think these are new?
700. Huh?
I think these.
This
I think
is
these
in
are
good
new.
condition.
Huh?
It's in good condition.
So you think it's new?
Possibly.
Possibly. Oh, so is that the A3?
Yeah, this is the
And
A3
that's
right here.
$1,000.
This is the A3.
You have to get it, dude.
That's the newest model.
Well, hold it, dude. At least hold it and see how it is. Well, how's it feel? Is it polymer?
Good.
Is it polymer? Yeah. Huh. See, that's a new thing, dude. So is this the decocker? Like,
Yeah,
what
the
is this for?
decocker. It's you can do it on two sides. But yeah, there's the decocker.
This aisle right here, all the way to the front on the right side.
Yeah.
The girls sitting on
I need to shoot that, man.
Thank y'all.
That sounds feels so sketchy. Is it lighter? Wow,
It's slightly
this
lighter.
feels nice. It feels nice. Wow. Does it come in that?
Yeah.
Okay, put that up. Dude, these are actually good price.
They really are. They're really cheap.
Yeah, why don't you get one?
How do I?
This is 20. This is 22 long rifle, and that's 22 long rifle. You want to get, boom. 556, $500. Yo, dude, it's the shockwaves and shit. We got pistol grip. I think that's called a Raptor grip again. It's only three. Oh, it's a 20 gauge. It's funny because it looks so stippled, but it feels kind of smooth, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, if it's the finger grooves feel pretty good. It says grip zone, but I mean, like Smith & Wesson, there's you remember, yeah, Smith & Wesson, the MP Compact. I don't know, but yeah, those were grippy. That's it just looks that way, but yeah. Dude, they got Rock City. Oh, this is the one I was gonna show you, man. I was like, it's open up top. I'm like, what the hell is that? this is 17. That's like the full size. I think 19 is compact. Is there a 19 with a Mariblo sights? That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
This one has a Glock 9 sight. Dude, it feels so good in your hand, bro. You just gotta go Glock, man. I'm just kidding. Hey, Tom, you need a concealed carry purse?
For the ladies out there.
Huh? Yo, we got fidget spinners. These are tactical fidget spinners.
Yeah, you spin them fast enough and a blade comes out.
Oh, yeah. That's fucking scary.
Handmade?
How do you know it's made in America? I was kidding.
Because he's making them right now.
I know, I was just joking. It's a joke.
What was the other one? 300?
It was like 360, I think, for Shockwave Mossberg over there. But no, this one's like colored, so maybe that's why it costs a little bit more. For 20. But yeah. Yeah, I think after handling the 20-inch, I didn't want to for sure get an 18. So what do we have here, sir? Accessories.
Gun attachment.
What brand is this? Phobos.
Sure, you don't want me to buy it.
So I was about to ask if that was used, but clearly.
$24.
25.
$25. 1, 2.
I don't know how people round down whenever it's gonna go
Five.
up. It's all good. Yo, why don't you get ooh. We got some books on carrying.
Hi.
Hello. Do you have any of these with the serrated edge?
If it's not out, I don't have it.
I'm gonna check this out, bro. This is I got my dad a spider toe knife. Which one did I get him? I got him like this. It was like this with a serrated edge. But yeah.
I got a 50-50 serrated combo with that.
Yeah. This is that $80?
$80.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the one I got my dad.
And the reason why the other one's $75 is because I bought the other one last year, and the prices have been up $5 on me in new stock.
But yeah, either I wanted a spider coat. I didn't know how I feel about the hole to open it, but yeah, it's a damn good knife. I was thinking about getting this next. I wanted
100 out the door, cash or charge. That includes the sales tax, which is like $8 on it.
Oh, it includes tax?
I figured the tax into the price.
Oh man, should have got my dad one of these. I like that. Oh, what's this one? I don't know. I like that nub. I like that nub better though. I about cut myself.
But you can go online and then, buy the combo pack and just bundle it.
How's that feel, dude?
Dude, this is the beast ass gun.
Holy shit.
Dude,
That's
just imagine
huge.
shooting that.
Dude.
It's heavy as hell. This one's a little slimmer.
Is that a little slimmer? It looks fucking huge still.
This one's lighter for
Dual
sure.
wield it.
Dude, this one's lighter.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, hold it.
Alright guys, so we are maybe halfway through the show. Still got a lot to do. Oh, hey, there's this YouTuber, that YouTuber with Such. I think he has like he always talks about he's sponsored by Freedom Munitions, so that's cool that we see this here. Such, he's a pretty good YouTuber. He's like, I think last time I checked he had like 600,000 subs, so that's pretty dope. Some more rifles, some big ass revolvers. Oh, Benelli, dude. Is that, what does it say? 2600? 2600, dude. That's a semi-auto.
Ooh, special.
How much does it cost?
Special.
Oh, 5 rounds for $30.
It's a dragon breath.
It's like fireworks, I guess.
Nothing spectacular.
556 tracer ammo. That's interesting. Where's those my K-bar knives? I want to get a K-bar knife. So car. Never mind, let's go. Build your own AR.
Too much work.
Too much work. All right. Rifles galore over here. Got some steel targets. You like looking at old school stuff, huh? Is that old school? You like old school.
I genuinely like AKs. I want to pay $800 for something that I could find somewhere else for like $500.
Well, you're just looking at prices? Is that what you're saying? What? Some magazines. Pokemon at the gun show. Some peel and stick decals. Ankle holster. I don't think my pants are that big. Look at that one, the Mark IV. $400. Some scopes over here. Where's my Mossberg? What is it? Oh, it's
Okay.
762.
you ever get one of these?
Wait, so this gun
I'm not-
safe for like $1,000?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, don't get one.
Why
If
not?
you ever do get one? Because you can get one. If you
Get
ever
cheaper
do
where?
one, I'm not helping you move that. I'm just saying.
Is it heavy? I'm just kidding. Obviously.
Premier gun show. Except I'm at the gun.
Oh, it's made of plastic? Okay. Just so you know, there's USA made and not cheap import junk. That's offensive. I'm just kidding. It's not. That stupid Chinese crap. I'm just kidding.
You're a stupid Chinese crap.
You're a stupid piece of Chinese crap.
Yeah, they're nice. Yeah. Yeah, and these guys are fanatics for stitching. This is this here he's doing
VP for 540.
and he does them in rough side as well. They're all I'm looking.
I thought you said the FS didn't come with a rail,
No, it's supposed to.
They're frowning on it.
but it's pre-owned though.
That's right.
Bolt action. Huh?
Doesn't this look like a scar?
A little bit, yeah.
It's not even a scar. Look at the price.
It's from Germany. I'm assuming that's what it's German.
Well, the
But
caliber.
dude, you
sucks.
know what caliber it is, sir?
Not one that we would want to use.
It's 22 long rifle. Oh, dude, that's small. It's a caliber for my baby sister.
Oh, damn.
That's a 22 long rifle.
Oh, damn.
It's not that bad.
I wish I knew more about this gun set. You know, like.
You want some salsa? See your VP. Here's your PX ammo. Whoa. There's the VP now. Law enforcement. Oh, look at those nice sides. Those are dope. Okay, so you guys are. Do you guys have a shop here in Texas? I imagine you do. Huh?
Right now, we're online in gun shows. Yeah, we're here in Fort Worth.
Would you hear what?
We're here in Fort Worth.
Oh, in Fort Worth? Okay, so it's Shepherd Dynamics?
Yep.
Okay. Comes in 3 different sight arrangements. You got, I think they're regular fixed sights. You got the Glock night sights, which is pretty good. But I want to try the AmeriGlow sights. It has the orange outline and some nice sights. So, yeah, I just want to see what this is all about. Okay. So, no finger grooves like on Gen 4. I think it's ambidextrous slide lock. Flared magwell.
Hang on, brother.
Oh, did that yank on that?
Yep.
Sorry. I just want to steal it. I didn't want to buy it. I was kidding.
Don't tell me that.
Alright guys, so we just left the gun show. In all honesty, I would say that
it went above and beyond for expectations. The prices, there were some that were competitive. There's some that weren't at all. That I was wondering how they made business. Yeah, we met some retailers. This is one that we met, Shepherd Dynamics. I think it was a great experience. I didn't expect it to be as big as it was. I mean, 1,200, tables. That's what we read in the flyer. But I mean, they had everything. They had, food, pins, accessory, holsters, belts, knives, like anything related to self-defense. Weaponry. Everything. Lotions, natural painkillers. I could go on, but pretty great experience. I recommend it. And anyone in the DFW area. Yeah, Premier Gun Show, definitely. 2 thumbs up. Tommy, got anything to say?
Check it out, Dallas-Fort Worth area.
Dallas-Fort Worth area.
$10 a ticket.
Yeah. Oh, another thing. Yeah, I thought it was kind of silly. There's a 2-day pass, but there really is so much stuff that if you're really looking at everything and spending a lot of time, it might require you to do a 2-day deal if you don't go early on in the day. But yeah, that pretty much sums up the video, guys. It's a lot of raw footage and kind of out there, but we weren't supposed to film, so yeah. But if you guys give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment, we really appreciate it.